What up guys, we are back with another video. This time we're doing some Vans Travis Scott editions. We're pretty much recreating a van in the form of Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. So I'm super excited, let's get into the video. Alright, first thing first, I'm going to quickly unlace the laces, and then I'm going to remove the little Vans logo stitching from the outside of the shoe. Alright, so after we did that, we're going to take our brown paint and we're going to paint the toe, the top liner, and the back heel all brown to get that same brown color for the Air Jordan 1. So after we do that, we're going to grab our hot glue gun and we're going to grab the stitching we took off. You have to be very careful because if you guys, damage it, you can't use it no more. So forgot to tell you guys that, but yeah, we're going to have to use that again. So let's grab the hot glue gun and let's glue it back on backwards. Alright guys, so now that we glued it back on, we're going to paint it black to get that same black swoosh from the Air Jordan 1. Alright, so I add a little bit of detail. I took the two Travis Scott logos and I put them on the back heel. So let's do that. I know in the video you can't really see it, so my bad about that. Alright, I laced the shoes up. I'm super excited to show you guys the final product. It came out dope. So I'm going to show you guys some videos. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys need any customs, hit me up at Kicks of Chicago. So yeah, thank you.